Is this thing on?
It's on.
Where are we at?
8.
Go look, go look.
It just changed.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, here we go.
Away.
Here we go. Here we go. It's a big day. WPS and the AGC combo. We're celebrating because today we're going to hit 100,000 subscribers. It's taken us since 2013. I don't know, was it?
2009 when you did it?
2009 was the first one?
Video.
Was it?
Cool.
Live, we're on YouTube Live, guys.
Oh, good!
Okay.
We never go live, but this is a live moment.
This is a live moment.
We're gonna sit here for a
Oh my gosh. Until we get two people.
There we go! Give us one guys. Be a part of it. It could be you. You could be the 100,000.
We can't even answer the phone right now.
It could be you.
Maybe
Give it
it's
a click.
100,000 subscribers. We need
Give
to
it a
answer.
click.
Come on,
Click.
somebody
Click.
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 Game
Click.
point.
We did it, guys.
All
It
because
only
of
took
you.
15 years.
Couldn't have done it without you. Couldn't have done it without you.
That's hilarious. That's awesome.
And better talk about it.
What? 101?
Yeah.
100,001!
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome.
I don't even know how to stop
Yeah, that
this.
was like,
Dude, just breaks out.
That's very exciting. That's funny. That's so exciting.
We just got 100,000.
Thank you to our 100,000 subscribers.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente. Con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ay. Ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando.
What do you got? What's it? No way.
Yep, it's here.
It's here?
Show the man.
Oh my gosh. Dr. C. Look what has arrived from YouTube.
Hard at work. Oh, what is this?
Let's get it.
What
Okay,
is this? What is this?
you gotta open it. You open it.
What is it?
It's an award
You've
for being
received
awesome.
Oh.
The award of awesomeness.
The award of the century? Whoa. This is our YouTube? Ooh, whoa.
It's your play button.
What? This is... Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100th? Or your 1,000th? Chances are you do. You definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Oh yeah. This is legit. This is legit, right?
Let's see it.
Oh boy, look at this.
Oh,
How
this is
cool.
nicer than what I saw online.
How cool is this? Wow.
There you go.
Wow.
So nice.
Presented to Westlake Plastic Surgery Center for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Look at me, and I get to see me in this thing. How cool is this, ladies and gentlemen? Thanks to you all.
Thanks, guys.
You made this possible, so we're going to have to put this to showcase our achievement. We couldn't have done it without you. We love you. And if you like us, subscribe below. We got to keep the party rolling. Wow.
This
is cool. Bam.
Other than the Superman t-shirt, it's the new most prized possession.
Yeah, maybe we'll get rid of that and stick this right here.
Oh yeah, maybe.
We got a 12.
Is it 10 by 12? I did.
You said it. Oh my gosh.
Didn't I?
Nicely done.
Everybody wondering what the size of a YouTube plaque is. It's 10 by 12. You should just put a chain on it.
And then wear it around my
then
neck.
Wear it around your neck.
Yeah. Oh, Denise, have you seen?
I don't even want to touch it because it's. So
I know.
sweet.
It looks like you're gonna put your like fingerprints.
My makeup prints on it.
Yeah. Where do you think we should put it?
In the front.
In the front?
Yes.
Would you like a plexiglass casing over it, or should it go just by itself?
Like in a clear.
That's what you. That's everybody's vision.
It's surrounded by velvet.
Velvet. Yeah.
Red velvet, like
red velvet behind it.
YouTube red velvet.
Yes. And then it lays on the red velvet.
I'm on it.
Oh, nice, Micah. All right. Oh, I hear mine.
I know.
Oh,
We don't have enough rooms.
hey, Mark. Hi. Hello.
It's almost
so
as
pretty.
exciting as the day your baby was born, right?
Is that how you feel about it? You want to hold it?
Can I touch it?
Yeah. There you go.
It is newly born.
Yeah,
It is newly
it's a fresh
born.
baby.
It's
Play
a fresh
button.
baby. It's not as heavy as I
Where do you
expected
think it should go?
I think it should go in the front.
In the front?
Yeah.
Do you think it should have a
Shadow box.
plexiglass? Oh, a shadow box?
Isn't that what those are
Plexiglass?
called? A shadow box?
And do you think it would look good with YouTube red velvet behind it?
Is it YouTube or is it like a red, like... I
You
don't know.
captured that, didn't you? She thought YouTube was the color of red. No, like the
red velvet.
like red velvet. You know the color of the YouTube plate.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's a great idea.
Yeah.
You're really seeing the true Mark.
The daily antics of
It's mom brain,
Westlake
right?
plastic surgery.
Yes, can I use that?
Yeah.
Yes,
Every day of my
yeah,
life?
I think so.
I don't have a whole list in my locker of the funny things she says. We call those
Even before
Marisms.
mom.
For
No,
years.
it's beautiful.
For years and years.
I love
Okay.
how it's a mirror.
I know.
Yeah.
Shoot,
so
let's
pretty.
bring. Can you get Audrey to
Yes,
come out
yeah,
here
let me
and
grab
look
her.
at the play button?
Got some.
Look at her. Get her like this.
No. What are we doing?
Just come look.
Black and wow.
Isn't this beautiful? Do you see
Yeah.
yourself in it?
I don't want to.
Are you excited? Where do you think we
Yes.
should put it?
I don't know. Maybe somewhere up front. Where
Up front?
See it.
Do you think
yeah.
we should get a plexiglass casing with
Oh, yeah.
red velvet behind it?
Oh yeah.
Legit, right? Okay. She loves this
I
stuff.
wish I would like warn me when I could like touch up my makeup or something.
I mean, you get this?
like put a little lip gloss on.
I know, I did.
I know.
Nobody
That's
is-
why.
I got lip gloss on. I made Michael wait.
Nobody is saying that.
Nobody is safe. Nobody is safe but me.
Ay, 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 ay. Ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo